Hey guys, my name is Tessa. In case you've never seen my face, hello, it is nice to meet you. Today I'm coming at you guys with a follow-along workout to target the belly pooch. You know what that is, ladies. Right here, it's like that little pooch. Boys have it too, but us ladies, especially because of our ovaries, our bodies like to collect fat right here. So it is a hard part to target, and I'm not going to act like you can specifically target one spot in your body. You know, it doesn't really necessarily work spot training. You have to train your whole body and everything. However, incorporating some specific exercises or a little routine into your daily workouts and everything is going to definitely help target that spot in your body. So this circuit is great to add in to a workout. You can do it daily, you can do it before workout, after, just whenever. It's going to definitely help just get rid of that pooch, but also just tone up the abdominals in general, get your abbies. It's quick. So let's do this. is it, guys. I hope that you did it, because if you did, then I know that you definitely are feeling your core and it feels amazing. If you didn't, do it. No excuses. I did it, which means you have to do it, and it's fast, and you pretty much are laying on the ground the whole time, so no excuses. Please, please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow me on Instagram, do all that good stuff. I'm having trouble talking today. Don't know why, but yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you soon. I hope that you're happy and healthy and working towards feeling even better.